In this video, I will go through the hero section of time.com and try to come up with something better in CSS. So let's go. Okay, here is the layout of time.com, where we have the hero section. We have 3 columns, and when I resize, notice what will happen. Oh, we switched to this design very early, and when I try to actually resize more, it will end up like this. So in my article, I went through this layout and I tried to make it better. So one particular thing that I would like to show you, because it's very long, to be honest, where I used display contents. So in CSS, we have those 2 cars living in the same div element. And I use display contents to actually ungroup them and make them part of the grid when I need. So what does that mean? That means when, let's say, I have more elements, I need to switch the grid. So let me just show you the example what CSS has, which is this one. So notice that those elements, those 2 items are actually part of the same group. So here is this div that is wrapping them, and here is the 2 articles. But notice that each one lives on a side, which is amazing. I used CSS has with display contents and grid areas. So when I add more elements, they will group again. Okay. So it's that idea of having something very solid with just a few lines of CSS. And of course, I went through the query units where we can use the CQW unit to the font size to have a responsive font size to the container, not only to the viewport. Yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned at least something new. And if you love to see more of these videos, please let me know and I will make it happen. Thank you.